Sync these babies up. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'll be installing my SSD. Where the hell is my SSD? Actually, it's on the other side. Let's see if I can go get it. Okay. So this is my video, this is my voice recorder, so don't mind it. Hopefully I can be seen in this video. So last time I was getting this baby ready, I was reviewing this. That's the water. Okay, let's fold that nicely. Okay, so I'll be installing our SSD, and yeah, I just need to load up. I actually was writing notes somewhere. Just 1 second. Oh, I wrote it on my phone. I should be able to pick up my notes on my iCloud. But anyway, I was writing down notes on what I actually need to do before I put this SSD. I didn't have a lot of personal stuff on my older SSD, so I just wrote down some programs that I need to install, because I am installing a fresh new operating system on this guy. So I need to put the Windows 10 on this USB so I can boot from this USB, so I can actually install it on this SSD. And now I'm just looking for the program that they use to install the SSDs, to install the Windows. USB creator tool. Rufus, yes, Rufus boot. Rufus Windows 10. Okay, so we need to boot it via Rufus. I think I should have a Rufus, yeah? No? I think I do have a Rufus on my this thing can actually hear. Alright, download. I'm sure I've got a Rufus here somewhere. Yeah, Rufus. Do I not have a Rufus on my... Okay, let's just download a newer version of Rufus. Store and go. Disk. I need to select where my Windows 10 is. Under my terabyte. Downloads, programs, folders now. Program Windows 10. Okay. Standard. I don't know about this though. I don't want to change a lot of things.
Standard Windows installation and partition scheme. It has two options, GPT and MBR. It will depend on the hard disk system you have.
Finding
if you
system.
have GPT, then you will select it. If you have MBR partition on your hard disk, then you will select
okay,
it.
let's just check what our partition thing is. Disk management, I think that's what it's called. Disk management. Create and format this. Let's see what our disk is. Acer NTFS properties. Okay, so our partition is NTS. Okay, where do we check filing systems, NTFS, capacity? Property should tell us here though, details. Yeah, partition style is GUID partition. So GPT, I mean. So we'll leave it like that. Windows 10, I think that's fine.
Start the process.
Alright, so we just hit the start button. Windows 10. Yeah. All warning data will be okay. Okay, so we're making our USB bootable now, so that we can boot from it when we do install the Windows. Okay, so it's just creating the file system now. Oof. Okay. Okay, so it's finished. It's finished loading the Windows into the USB. So now we need to let's just check it out first. Yeah, there it is. There you go. Bootable. Alright. So now we need to open up the laptop and put this bad boy in it. Alright. I don't know why I actually started doing this at night. It's literally 10 o'clock at night now. But I don't mind, because it's one of the things that needs to be done. So let's install it on this laptop. replacing this SSD. That's the one that I bought. The slot was actually empty when I got it. I still need to upgrade my RAM. Sorry, I need to grab my RAM. This is the battery. This is where that hard drive I removed was from. And under here is the CPU and the GPU. I don't know if you can see that. It's got all of that. So I'll just clean it a bit and then install this guy onto here. Supposed to be 120, only gave me about 110. left the old fucking SSD on the plate, Lapan, inside the computer. I left the SSD on the plate. Inside, I left it inside here.
What does that mean?
Having to cut it again just to get that fucking SSD out. Macarena, Macarena. Oh yeah, oh yeah, Macarena. This one needs to go back. This one needs to go back. Installation. So it's not showing up because it wasn't formatted. So I have to switch the SATA mode from I think I've got it on something Octane to AHCI or something like that, so that the SSD can be seen. Yeah.
recommend to do. You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, you can just mute your PC. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Type what you want to name your account. Okay, now type a password for your account. These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select Accept when you're ready.
So we are installing drivers now. I've done all BIOS before. I don't know if they've released new ones, but I remember installing BIOS. I won't do BIOS. I'll do XN and I'll do K Center. Those are all the drivers that need to be installed anyway. So we're just gonna install all of these. Okay guys, so I'm gonna wrap up the video here, and yeah, my computer is now, it's actually way faster. I'm going to the login screen. I mean, obviously I know that I don't have a lot of programs, but yeah, the performance and obviously the storage now, as you're gonna see here. Let me just go to my computer. 437 gigs free. way better than 14 gigs free. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. And thank you to my baby for getting me this present. Thank you, baby. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.